Bessie the cow woke up in the soft grass. Moo went Bessie the cow softly. She was a big gentle cow with a long tail. Her tail was good for swatting away flies. Bessie the cow stood up slowly. She was in a big green pasture with other cows. She felt calm and peaceful. Bessie the cow lowered her head to eat. She pulled up mouthfuls of sweet grass. Munch, munch, munch went Bessie the cow. Cows eat a lot of grass. After eating for a while, Bessie the cow stopped. She lay down in the grass. Now it was time to chew her cud. Cows like Bessie the cow bring their food back up. Then they chew it again very slowly. Chew, chew, chew went Bessie the cow. This helps Bessie the cow get all the goodness from the grass. While she chewed, her tail swished back and forth. Swish, swish went Bessie the cow's tail. It kept the buzzing flies away. Moo, moo went another cow nearby. Bessie the cow mooed back gently. Cows like to be together. Bessie the cow felt warm and full. Chewing cud was a relaxing job. She watched the clouds float by. She heard the birds singing. Being a cow is a quiet, calm life, thought Bessie the cow. She spent the day eating, chewing, and being peaceful. Bessie the cow was happy in her green pasture. Another gentle day for Bessie the cow.